What's the meaning of Aramaic? Aramaic. Aramaic.
Aramaic. Aramaic. Aramaic is a language that originated in the ancient Near East and was once widely spoken throughout the region. It was the primary language of the Assyrian and Babylonian empires and played a significant role in Jewish, Christian, and Islamic traditions. Aramaic belongs to the Semitic family of languages and is closely related to Hebrew and Arabic. Today, Aramaic is a minority language spoken by small communities in different parts of the world, including Iraq, Syria, and Iran. It has a rich history and continues to be studied and preserved by scholars and enthusiasts alike.